friends, welcome to Magic of Smartphone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Zoom app, video conferencing Zoom app. It's very easy. This video I'm going to divide it into two parts. First I'm going to tell you, if a link is given to you, how do you go about it? How do you enter the meeting? And the second part will be, how do you create your own link for the video meeting? Okay, so let's start. When you tap on the link, you get a screen like this. Here you have to put an ID. If you have a password, you have to put the password also. Below that, you have to put your name, your personal name, so that others can identify you. That name will be displayed on the screen. Put your personal name will be better. Before pressing the join meeting button, check whether the connect to audio and video buttons are on. This is simple mistake that we usually make. Then tap on join meeting and it's done. If you don't have the link but someone has given you an ID, you can just log into Zoom, open the Zoom app and go to join meeting and give in your ID the same way. You can enter the meeting this way also. Just try it. Now you have entered the meeting. Here you can see in one screen there are 4 windows. You can see 4 persons at one go. You have to scroll left or right to see more persons in the meeting that you got. Okay. You have to just scroll left or right with your finger. You can see the names are under each window. The names of the persons. I have muted this video for personal reasons. This is my friend circles that I have shown. Okay, now certain one box you can see is black. That means their video is off. Someone's audio is also off sometime. You have to put on your video. I will show you in case your video is off how to put it on. Okay, this is common mistake. Just tap on the screen, anywhere on the screen you'll get the buttons like this down. Like for removing mute and tap on the video for putting a video on. Tap on the chat button. You can see all the participants here and whether their video is on or not. You can give a personal message to them. You can chat with them personally. You can see the different menu that you have got. In chat you can do personal chatting or to everyone also, which everyone can see. When you want to leave the meeting, just tap in between the screen anywhere up, you'll get the leave button. To start a new meeting, I am tapping on schedule. I don't want it now immediately. If you want now immediately, you have to tap on new meeting, but I am tapping on schedule. Okay, I want to schedule it to date, name what you want. Now supposing I want Magic of Smartphone Zoom meeting, only the name. You want something else, you can just type whatever you want there. Okay, now the date, just tap on the date there and plus sign and minus sign is there. Tap on plus whenever you want it. Say I want May 10th 11th, set, press on the set button. Then timing what you want, say 7 o'clock or 9 PM, whatever you want. PM, just tap on AM or PM and then set it. 40-minute time limit on the meetings with 3 or more participants. Okay, if you want more than that, you have to pay for it. Okay, from and to, then the time zone that you're given is what it is given there automatically. You can choose the country if you want, or you can see it is given already India's IST. Okay, do you want to repeat this every day, every week, whatever? Now supposing you are having tuitions or something, you want it every day, or dance class you want twice a week or something, you can set it here. The same time will be set, the days accordingly, every 2 days or whatever will be scheduled there. Okay, you want to use your personal ID. Your personal ID is same for everything. That is a personal ID, not the meeting ID. Okay, then meeting password. Do you want people to come in with your password only, or you want them just to log in? Like that also will do. Okay, if I am expecting, like if I want a dance class, I want other persons also to come in without a password. It is okay with me. I'll be happy to have more people. So I put my password off. Okay, meeting password on or off. Then host, like I am the host because I am scheduling this meeting. So my video should be on. Participants video should also be on. This is on off button here. Okay, I put it on. Add to calendar. This will be add to my calendar. Here there is advanced option. I am tapping on advanced options. See here, enable waiting room. Now what is waiting room? I have come into the meeting. I have entered the meeting. Others all, whoever have logged in, but all have, like supposing I am expecting 50 persons, but only 10 persons have come in the meeting. Others haven't come in. So I can just make them wait in the waiting room and add them to my meeting as and when I like. Okay, then I keep on adding each person. I keep this way, I keep check on who's entering my meeting room. I don't allow unwanted person in my room, in my meeting room. Okay, automatically record the meeting. This is on off. This full meeting will be recorded. Add to calendar. See, it is so easy. Press on the done button up. This is to the mail. If you want to send a mail of the link that you have made to whomever you want. Okay, and then tap on the this thing, send. Add to calendar or add invitees. Invitees, I want to say copy to clipboard, and then I will go and paste it in WhatsApp groups wherever I want it, or anywhere in SMS or wherever I want it. I can add, say copy to clipboard, and then I can go to WhatsApp here. Say I am going to a dummy group and I am just long tap here and I am pasting. This is a new, you can see here, new link has been created. You can go back to your Zoom here. See, it is edit. If you want to, you can come back here and edit again. You want to make certain changes, say the date has been changed, or the timing has been changed, or your repeat process is changed. You can come and change it here. Okay, then press on the done button. So this is done. Press back. So it is done. Now you don't have to do anything. You have to just share that link that you had. Share that link. I hope you like this video. I'll be making a different video for students and teachers. A special video for students and teachers. I'll be making a separate video for that. Hope you like it. Thank you. Thank you.